Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling something super important: transferring your crypto from Coinbase to a cold storage wallet in 2025. With hackers getting smarter every day, keeping your digital assets locked up tight is a game changer for peace of mind. Let's dive right in. First off, why bother with a cold storage wallet? It's basically an offline vault for your crypto, making it nearly impossible for online thieves to get their hands on it. We'll walk through the steps using the latest tools and security features available in 2025. Step 1. Set up your cold storage wallet. Popular options like Ledger or Trezor have upgraded interfaces now. Download the app or connect your device, and follow the prompts to create a new wallet. Remember, write down your seed phrase and keep it super secure, no digital copies. Next, generate a receiving address from your cold storage wallet. This is a unique string of letters and numbers where your crypto will land. Open your wallet app, select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer, like Bitcoin or Ethereum, and copy that address to your clipboard. Now, hop over to your Coinbase account. Log in with two-factor authentication for extra safety. Once you're in, go to your portfolio, select the crypto you want to send, and click on Send or Withdraw. Paste the cold storage wallet address into the recipient field, enter the amount you want to transfer, and double-check everything. In 2025, Coinbase might have new verification steps, like biometric scans, so follow those to confirm. Hit Send, and watch the magic happen. Transactions are faster now, but it could take a few minutes to a couple of hours depending on network congestion. Once it's done, verify the balance in your cold storage wallet to make sure everything transferred smoothly. And there you have it. Your crypto is now safely offline. Always prioritize security, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more crypto tips. Stay safe out there, and thanks for watching.